In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable notifications from Saily eSIM app. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you feel you are being inconvenienced, then you can disable them permanently. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to access Saily app info page, and you can do so by just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info here. Now, depending on the Android version of your smartphone, if you are missing app info, you should have a settings gear around here, or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Saily app info page. At this point, go to permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see these 6 types of notifications, among them floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration, permanent notifications, and notification badges have been turned on. And with this on, you will always receive those alerts. To disable all of them, instead of turning off one by one here, just go to show notifications and turn it off. From now henceforth, you will never again receive any alerts from this app unless you enable this again. So that's how you can permanently disable Saily eSIM app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.